How to check Fidelity account balance. Fidelity Investments provides investment management, brokerage services, retirement planning, and wealth management. It helps individuals and institutions grow their wealth through mutual funds, stock trading, financial advisory, and research tools. First, go to Fidelity Bank website and log in to your account username and password. On Home, click on Accounts and Trade. Then we're going to click on Portfolio. Then on Summary tab, you can see your account balance. If you scroll down here, you can see top movers in the market, as well as the most active stocks that people are trading, and you can also click here to get information on earnings dates for your stocks and your portfolio dividend dates that are coming up if you own any dividend stocks and other stocks. Click on the Positions tab, and this is going to show us our positions that we have. That's it. Thanks for watching.